Welcome to the online anime workshop, where you'll get to draw anime pictures with personal guidance from a really amazing expert instructor. Everyone from beginners to advanced teen students will start by learning to break an image down into basic shapes that are easy to draw from, like a professional animator. Then we'll practice drawing from that breakdown. After drawing, you'll ink your picture with a thick marker or Sharpie. You'll practice layering color in 4 steps to create a vibrant picture that pops. You'd be surprised how polished and eye-catching your finished work can look when you really complete all the layers. So keep on going with color and stick with your teacher until he or she gives you the thumbs up to move on. From there, your teacher will guide you in drawing images that match your level and interest. Make sure you have enough room to put your reference picture to one side of your drawing and slightly above. Remember, everyone's art will look a little bit different, and that's great. Just like a sport, challenge yourself to see how accurate your drawing can be and enjoy the game. You'll be holding up your art for coaching, so try to have a lamp or a bright window in front of your computer so your teacher can easily see. Draw slowly and lightly. Wait for the teacher before you move on. And be kind in keeping comments positive. Don't distract others, and especially be kind to yourself as you learn. Let your teacher know what goals and any concerns or thoughts you may have about practicing anime. If you happen to be on mute, you can always type a message into the chat. Finally, you can invite your family to celebrate with you at the art show we'll have on the last day. Put in 100%, and by the end of the week, you'll be a stronger artist. Now let's get started. Have fun!